This is the session related to HPCL, BHEL and TSPSC. And guys, today we are going to see some wonderful question on theory of machines. We will see around 20 questions from all the topics together. So guys, the topics are simple mechanism, velocity acceleration analysis. Then we will be having gear and gear trains, governor, flywheel, vibrations, gyroscope and cams. Balancing is also included. Yes, Pudina Yadav, good evening. Yes, Baldev, good evening. Yes, so we are starting. Pudina, tonight I will share. I forget to share the solution. Tonight I will share that. So guys, let us start the session now. This is some detail about me. I am having around 10 plus years of experience. And guys, these are my areas of expertise. Today's session is related to theory of machines. So guys, this is related to one small information for all of you. Yes, Sujata, BSc students are eligible for GATE examination. Dear, actually MSc students are eligible. Okay. We are starting, Vishal. We are starting. So guys, this is a mega workshop for GATE 2024 students. Will be taken by Ravindra Tube sir at 12:30 PM on 9th of October. If you want to join it, you can register it. The link is there in the description box. Yes, Mani, good afternoon. I will say good morning rather than that. Okay, good morning. Yes, Tamatar Singh, good morning. So guys, this is the very first question now coming onto your screen. This is from simple mechanism, guys. So guys, just like and share the session so that other student can also reach here. We are having 20 wonderful questions. Okay. नहीं डियर, यहाँ पर तो IIT जैम का प्रिपरेशन नहीं, ये गेट से रिलेटेड है. दिस इज रिलेटेड टू गेट. ओके, दिस इज रिलेटेड टू गेट, HPCL, ओके, BHEL. These are the exam for which this session is helpful, and we are also preparing here for gate to the students. Kiran is saying, very good. Satish is saying, see, Kiran, why are you not regular in the classes? In GATE Champion Series, you were not there in machine design classes. So question is, in a parallelogram type 4-bar mechanism, the motion of the coupler is. So my dear, you know, when I will be making a simple 4-bar mechanism, in this simple 4-bar mechanism, you know that this is OABC. If you see this is the fixed link. You know, this is going to be the input link. This is going to be the output link. And this is going to be the coupler. So my dear, in general, coupler is having general motion. In general, coupler is having general motion. And this general motion is including translation and rotation both. But my dear, when we will be having parallelogram, parallelogram means like this. When you will be having parallelogram. For that, my dear, what happens is, in case of parallelogram, this coupler will be having only translation. Why coupler will be having only translation? Because my dear, if you see the coupler for that position, at every instant, it will be having the same linear velocity at every point. So every point will be having same linear velocity. This is the characteristic of pure translation motion. So my dear, the answer will be B, pure translation motion. So those who have given this answer B, like money is there, that is correct answer. Yes, very good. Kiran, I feel your answer is not correct. Okay, no issues, Kiran. So guys, answer will be pure translation in case of parallelogram case. Otherwise, it will be both translation and rotation together. Moving to the next question, guys. Moving to the next question. This is from offset mechanism. Yes, Bissell, very good. This is from the offset mechanism. I will be making that mechanism for you guys. Let us say this is crank, okay, and let us say this is connected with this is crank, this is connected with the connecting rod. Obviously we will be having, and that will be having some slider also. Let us say this is the mechanism. We are having, this is the mechanism. This is said to be the offset mechanism. For this offset mechanism, my dear, I will be making the extreme positions of the slider, which will help you to solve the problem. Okay. So you will be having this as one extreme position. When this will be the crank, this will be the connecting rod. This is the one extreme position of the slider. Second condition I am showing with the yellow color. This will be the crank. This will be the connecting rod. This is the second position. So my dear, if you see this, this is S2. So my dear, this is said to be the offset. This is said to be the offset. Okay. So this is said to be the offset, and what you need to find out is, you need to find out, my dear, the stroke length of the slider. So thanks dear, thanks Vishal, thanks for your wonderful words. Okay, Pudina Yadav have given the answer. Tomato Singh have given the answer 104.6. Kiran have also given the answer. Very good, guys. So you need to find out this distance. This is going to be the stroke length of this mechanism. Okay. So you need to find out this distance, my dear. And if you need to find out this distance, you know that this distance, if we see from this distance is nothing but L minus R. And if you see this is R plus L. So my dear, if you see offsets are given to us. Offsets are given, this is given to us. So if I give this point as P, this point as Q, you need to find out the stroke length, which will be given as, if this point is center O, you will write it as OQ minus OP. If you will find out OQ, you can apply the Pythagoras, my dear. So to find out OQ, you will be doing this ka square minus this ka square, because this angle is 90 degree. So you can write, my dear, R plus L ka square minus offset ka square. When you will be finding out OP, you will be having this time L minus R ka square minus X square. And my dear, stroke length is nothing but OQ minus OP. All of you have given the answer, my dear. Yes, Baldev official, it's great. Yes, Are nahi Pudina, thanks for your wonderful words, but we are just learner at different stages. Okay. So guys, the answer will be coming out to be 147.9 for this. 147.9 for this. And when you will solve this, I have already made calculations for you. This will be coming 43.3. So stroke length will be coming out to be, my dear, around 104.6 centimeters. Answer will be C for this. And that's why, guys, those who have given the right answer, it's really great. So moving to the next question, guys, question number 3 now. This is match the following type of question. You can expect this question in HPCL. The previous question was good for BHEL. Okay. So as BHEL level is slightly more than HPCL. Okay. So what would be the answer for this? Yes. Once again, thanks to Podina. But dear, just as I said, Godfather is Sir James Watt for mechanical engineering. So just solve it, guys, and give the answer and like and share the session so that other student can also reach here, because this is very important session for mechanical students who are going to appear in HPCL. Okay, Satish is saying the answer to be D. What about others? What about others, guys? I am waiting for your answers. What about others? I am waiting for your answers. Yes. Very good. Satish is saying D, Mani is saying A, Pudina is saying A, Tomato is saying A, Kiran is saying A. What about others? So my dear, first of all, we will talk about lower pairs. You know, turning pair is an example of lower pair, and I feel everyone is aware that the degree of freedom for turning pair is 1. So my dear, it means for lower pair, degree of freedom is 1. So we will call P with 1. Then it is higher pair. You know, one higher pair is equivalent to 2 lower pairs. So because of that, one higher pair will be having a degree of freedom of 2. So Q will be going with the 2. Then you know, elliptical tremel. When we are talking about elliptical tremel, it will be having a degree of freedom of 1. So my dear, R will be going for the 1. Cylindrical gear train. If you talk about cylindrical gear train, then the answer will be what? What will be the answer for S? It will be going with the 2. Then radial cam with follower, which is the mechanism, obviously degree of freedom will be 1. So guys, A is going to be the right answer for this. Okay, Kiran, very good. A is going to be the right answer for this. Wonderful, guys. Moving to question number 4. this is related to the transmission angle. So my dear, it is mentioned that you need to find out the transmission angle. You know this angle, the angle between coupler and output link is said to be the transmission angle. So for helping you, I am taking care of one thing, that you can make this in this way. You can make this line. Okay, now you can easily find out this transmission angle. You know this length, you know this length, total. So if you know the total, you can find out this part of length also. Once you know this, you already know this, you can find out the transmission angle by using sine theta. Yes, guys. Money, sir, for roller, follower, roller also rotating. Dear, yes, but that is not the degree of freedom counted. You know that is redundant degree of motion. Okay, redundant degrees of freedom. You remember that we have derived the formula F is equals to 3 into L minus 1 minus 2J minus H minus FR. So when you take the roller follower, the motion of roller is nothing but the redundant motion. So that will be subtracted, then only the answer will be coming out to be 1. We have done it in a great detail. Yes. Satish is saying A, Pudina Tomato are saying A. What about others? Kiran is saying A, bahut hi badhiya bhai. Yes. Money, what will be the answer? Kiran, what will be the answer? Kiran is also saying 60 degrees. So my dear, the answer for this will be coming out to be A, I feel so. Because when we are talking about this angle, you see this is total is 120, this is 60. So we can write sine mu as this is 60 by 120. So this will be 1 by 2. So you will call mu to be 60 degree. Okay. So the answer will be coming out to be 60 degree. A is correct. This question can come in HPCL and BHEL both. Okay. Very good, Money. Moving to the next question, guys. Question number 5. For the 4-bar mechanism shown, you need to answer the maximum transmission angle. So for that, I will help you that you know transmission angle is minimum when crank angle is 0. Transmission angle is maximum when theta is equals to pi. So my dear, this angle is theta and this angle is mu. You need to tell the mu maximum. I have given you the condition for mu maximum. So guys, solve it. This is question number 5. We are still left with a number of questions. Yes, guys. Solve it properly. Satish is saying D, Baldev is saying D, Money is saying A, Kiran is saying, okay, Kiran is saying D. So some are saying A, okay, A, Money have given the answer to previous question. So Baldev, Satish and Kiran said the answer to be D. What about others? Bhai, बाकी लोगों को क्या लगता है? Dear, when theta will become pi, you know that this 50 mm and the 30 mm will become like this. This is 30 mm and this is 50 mm. And at this time, the total length is 80 mm. Okay, guys. If this total length is 80 mm, you can see these are 40 and 40. So there is no doubt about that. Other two sides will be like this. One, another. So guys, this is 40 and 40. So here also the angle will be 180 degree. But yes, this will be valid if this is a crank rocker mechanism. You can see here shortest plus longest link length. This is shortest, this is longest. It is 80 mm. Then when you will find out P plus Q, it will once again comes out to be 80 mm. So you can see S plus L is equals to P plus Q. Grashof law is applicable. And you can see shortest link is adjacent to the fixed link. So it is a crank rocker mechanism. So all this discussion is valid and this is what we are talking about. So guys, answer is no doubt about that is 180 degree. Yes, Mechanical Warrior, good morning dear. Moving to the next question. This is from Coriolis component of acceleration. This is from Coriolis component of acceleration, guys. Try to solve this problem. They have given you radius, they have given you omega, they have given you alpha. sorry, not Coriolis, it is related to accelerations, okay? Because they are asking the magnitude of acceleration. So it is not from Coriolis, but from acceleration, from components of acceleration. For your help, I will give you an idea that there is a radial component of acceleration given by omega square r. There is a tangential component of acceleration given by r alpha. And then we will be having the net acceleration, which is defined as the square root of radial component ka square plus tangential component ka square. You can find out the answer from that. Yes, solve it, guys. Guys, do like and share the session. Still there are less number of students. Exam is very close. So I want more and more students to join. Yes, you need to find out the acceleration now. Solve it, guys. Yes. A radial is omega square r. Omega square r. By r will be the distance. You can see this is 0.4 meter, this is 0.3 meter. You can find out the distance of B from the A. Okay? Yes. Okay, so answer is coming. Kiran is saying 2. What about others? Kiran is saying 2. What about others? Yes. Ha, very good. This distance you need to consider as the R. R will be 0.5 meter. Because you need to find out the acceleration of B. Na? You need to find out the acceleration of B. You can see it is written that. Okay. AB is connected to a motor and you need to find out the magnitude of acceleration of point B. So you will be considering this point with respect to this point about which omega and alpha are there. So this distance is 0.5. So you will say 2 ka square into 0.5. Then here it is 0.5 into 3. Now tell me the answer. Yes, now Kiran is saying B. What about others? Ha bhai, Baldev is already given B. Very good. Mechanical warrior, Mani. Mani is also saying B. Bahut hi shandar. Ha bhai, Tomato Pudina, where are you? Tomato Singh, Pudina, Yadav. What are your answers? Very good, mechanical warrior, very good. So the answer will be 2.5 meter per second square. 2.5 meter per second square. Okay. Pawan Kalyan, बहुत बढ़िया. Satish, very good. So guys, we have a total of 20 questions. This is the 7th question now from gears. We have already seen questions from simple mechanism and questions from velocity and acceleration analysis. Now this is the question from gear and gear train. Yes. Yes, mechanical warrior, that is required for HPCL. A gear of 40 teeth drives a pinion by doubling the speed. Okay. If the module is 3 mm center distances. Yes, there is a pinion, there is a gear. Okay, they are saying the speed is getting doubled for the pinion. It means the speed of pinion to the speed of gear, which will be equals to teeth in gear to the teeth in pinion, is equals to 2. You need to find out this center distance. You know this center distance is nothing but radius of pinion plus radius of gear. So my dear, center distance is radius of pinion plus radius of gear. You need to solve it, guys. Very good. So already answer have been given by Kiran as 180. Let me see whether it is correct or not. Kiran, once again check it. Yes. So you know radius can be written as what? Module times teeth by 2. So you will write it as module times number of teeth in pinion plus teeth in gear by 2. Okay, and it is mentioned module is 3 mm. 3 number in teeth by 2. Number of teeth, you can see TG is 2 times TP and this is 40. So I feel this is going to be what? Yes, answer will be 90. So you can see it is given a gear of 40 teeth drives the pinion by doubling the speed. So if the number of teeth in gear are 40, in pinion they will be what? It will be 80. So it is 120. Is it clear? I have done some mistake. Have I done some mistake? Yes, answer will be 90 or 180. 90 ना? हाँ, divided by 2 भी करना है. Yes. So my dear, this is how you will be finding out. Yes, yes, yes. So guys, the answer will be 90. So when you will be looking at this, the answer will be coming out to be 90. Moving to the next question, once again from the gear train. हाँ, TP 20 आएगा. Yes, yes, yes. TP will come out to be 20. So this will be 60. Yes. So answer will be 90. Question number 8, guys, once again from the gear trains. You have a ring gear. In a ring gear, there is a sun and there is a pinion. Sun, ring, and this is going to be the pinion. So guys, you need to find out the number of teeth. Very good, warrior. Warrior have given the answer to be B. Okay, and I feel it is correct answer. Yes, Pawan, where are you? Pawan Kalyan, Kiran, Satish is saying B. Very good, Satish. Yes, Pragnesh is saying B. Very good, Pragnesh. Pudina Yadav B. Kiran Kumar B. बहुत ही बढ़िया. So my dear, you know that this distance will be the radius of ring gear. This distance will be the radius of sun gear. And this will be the diameter of pinion. So we can write the radius of ring is equals to radius of sun plus diameter of pinion. So radius of ring is this. You can write module of number of teeth of ring bate 2 is equals to module into number of teeth of sun bate 2 plus module into number of teeth in pinion bate 2. 2 will get cancelled out, module will get cancelled out because all are mating gears. Modules will be same, 2 will be same. So you can write the number of teeth in ring gear to be equals to number of teeth in sun plus it is diameter now, so it will be 2 times. So you can write 2 times teeth in pinion. You need to find out the teeth on pinion. It is given 100 is equals to 40 plus 2 times T of pinion. So T of pinion will be coming out to be 30. So guys, this you can solve without calci. So in HPCL, this type of questions will be coming. Okay. हाँ, प्रग्नेश बहुत दिनों बाद आए हैं. दिलखुश, आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप पर या फिर टेलीग्राम पे कनेक्ट कीजिए, वहां पर मैं आपको सर का नंबर दे दूंगा. ठीक है. ओके, मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. यस गाइस, सो दिस क्वेश्चन यू नीड टू सी when 2 gears are in mesh, the clearance is given by. Yes guys, so you need to see what would be the answer for this one. Yes, you see there is one wrong statement. Out of these 4, one wrong statement is there. If you will get this one wrong statement, you will give the right answer. Yes, wonderful guys. Baldev is saying second is the wrong statement. Okay. Out of these 4, there is one wrong statement. Out of these 4, there is one wrong statement. How I get to know that? How I get to know that? Because all options consist of 3. 3 points. So out of these 4, 1 is wrong. Yes, Pragnesh is saying A, Pudina is saying A. Very good, very good. Baldev is saying B. Okay. Warrior is saying A, very good. Kiran is saying third. C, Mani is saying. Dear, just look at statement number 4. Just look at statement number 4. Difference between the radii of base circle and the dedendum circle. You know, if you have a gear like this, then my dear, this is the clearance. This is the clearance. And you know, this is the working depth. This is the working depth. So my dear, there is no role of base circle radius here. So that is why this statement is wrong. So the answer will be A for this. Okay, other 3 are correct. Is it clear? Very good. Moving to question number 10 now. Very good, guys. Yes, very good, Pragnesh. Moving to question number 10 now. Minimum number of teeth requirement in an involute gear can be reduced by which of the following modification? By undercutting, by increasing the pressure angle, by stubbing of teeth, all of the above. सोच समझ के आंसर करिए. This question is suitable for GATE, suitable for HPCL, suitable for BHEL, okay, and suitable for all other exams. Okay, because this can be treated as MCQ as well as MSQ. That is why it is a very good question. Okay, Warrior is saying D. What about others, guys? Guys, do like and share the session. Like rukna nahi chahiye. I want all of you to get selected, and for that you need to attend these practice sessions. Okay, so just like the session, share the session, and subscribe the channel if you have not done yet. Question number 10. Still we are left with 10 more questions. Still we are left with 10 more questions, guys. Solve this, solve this, solve this. कोई बात नहीं टमाटर, आप लास्ट में करना, बाकियों को करने दो. ठीक है, आपका लाइक लास्ट में ले लेंगे, बाकियों को करने दो. चलिए, सॉल्व इट, सॉल्व इट गाइस. बताइए क्या होगा आंसर. मैकेनिकल वॉरियर मनी ने कहा है डी. बाकी लोग क्या कहेंगे? ओके, किरण ने भी डी बोल दिया है. प्रग्नेश, बहुत बढ़िया, सबने डी बोल दिया. सो गाइस, द आंसर फॉर दिस इज डी. व्हाई? Because all these 3 are methods to reduce interference. So all these are methods to reduce interference, and if these are the methods to reduce the interference, my dear, then if these are the methods to reduce interference, then my dear, I would like to say that when the interference will be getting reduced, we will be requiring less number of teeth to eliminate it permanently. So that is why all 3 will help us. So answer will be D. If it is MSQ, the answer will be all. So guys, you can download the ebook for GATE and register for the workshop in the description box of this session. Moving to the next question now. Question number 11 now from Flywheel, guys. This is from Flywheel, and they are asking you the ratio of omega max divided by omega min. So I am covering all the topics in these 20 questions. 50% task is done, 50% yet is there. Okay, B explain karu. B is by increasing the pressure angle. So my dear, what happens if we know that Ft is given as, sorry, just wait. So my dear, when pressure angle we are talking about, there is a pitch circle, which are touching each other. Then we have base circles, we have a common tangent here. So my dear, when we are talking about this base circle, if we are going to take a line of action Line of action is tangent to the base circle. So my dear, to both the base circle it will be tangent. So if we are talking about this is the pressure angle. If pressure angle increases means the radius of base circle will reduce. Then this line may come, this line will be having more angle. So when base circle radius will be reducing, then you know that interference will be reducing because above the base circle is involute. Above the base circle is involute. So if base circle is going to reduce in size, the chances of interference will get reduced. So when pressure angle will increase, the tendency of interference will reduce. Moving to the next question, guys. Very good. So Rishikesh have given the answer 1.051. बहुत बढ़िया. Warrior is saying B and Baldev is saying B. Pawan, Pragnesh, Satish, Kiran, बहुत ही बढ़िया guys. तो आप लोगों का आंसर B आ रहा है और सभी सही है. हाँ पुदीना, that's why we are having a limit over pressure angle. If force will not be having any such relation, we will not be having any restriction on that. So restriction on that is because of that. So guys, now we are talking about omega max by omega minimum. You will be knowing that the coefficient of fluctuation of speed is defined as omega max minus omega min divided by omega max plus omega min divided by 2. So you can take this 2 to the numerator or denominator of the second side. Ts by 2. It will be omega max minus omega min divided by omega max plus omega min. Then my dear, you can go for reversal of this 2 by Cs. It will become omega max plus omega min divided by omega max minus omega min. Now my dear, if we are going for componendo and dividendo, 2 plus Cs by 2 minus Cs will be coming out to be omega max by omega minimum. So you are given the value of Cs to be 0.05. The answer will be 2.005 divided by 2 minus 0.005. The answer will be 1.05. B is correct. Moving to question number 12, guys. This is from governor now. Very good dear, very good. बहुत ही शानदार. So guys, this is from governor now. Question number 12. 8 questions are still there from other topics. Yes, solve it guys. I have covered all the topics in the 20 questions. Less question, more practice, more concepts, more time saving. Very good guys. Solve it. Kiran is saying the answer to be D. Okay. This is question number 12. Kiran is saying answer to be D. What about others? I'm waiting for others' reply. Pragnesh, Warriors, Baldev are also saying D. Mani is also saying D. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत ही शानदार. So guys, very good Pudina. The answer will be D. You know that hunting is related to the high sensitivity. Okay, when sensitivity increase beyond the range, then it is called as hunting. Then my dear, isochronism means delta n 0. When delta n becomes 0, it is isochronism. Stability is opposite to sensitivity. So answer is D. So this is the clarity of concept you have, because of which you are able to answer. Wonderful guys. So moving to question number 13 now. And this is once again from the governors. This is related to Porter and Proell governor. Let us see how many of you gave the right answer. These questions, only those students will be able to answer, those who have attended the classes in a proper manner. Because they are the statement based question, and all these statements I have given to you in a great way. Kiran is saying B. Pragnesh is saying B. Satish is saying B. Mechanical Warrior is saying B. Okay, you tell me, Proell is better than Porter or Porter is better than Proell? Porter is better than Proell or Proell is better than Porter? If I compare, what governor? Porter governor, Proell governor, Hartnell governor. Out of these governors, you know this is better than Proell. Proell is better than Porter. Porter is better than what? Okay. So you must be knowing that Vote governor was not a working governor. So when we entered from Vote to Porter, Porter was a working governor. When we entered from Porter to Proell, Proell was not only the working governor, but its inertia was less. And then when we entered to Hartnell, its inertia was quite less. Okay. So they are saying for the same height, link length, mass of the sleeve, equilibrium speed, the mass of Proell governor as compared to Porter governor will be less, because in Proell governor we reduced fly ball mass. So sleeve mass is same, but fly ball mass is reduced. So answer will be C. Okay, very good guys. Very good guys. So Proell better hai. So answer will be C guys. Why? Because if you are using 5 kg fly ball in the Porter, then you would be using 3 kg fly ball in the Proell. So even if mass of sleeve is same, then also there will be a difference in the mass of fly ball. So overall governor, if you will see, the weight will be less for the Proell. Okay, so less for the Proell. Moving to the next question guys. Question number 14. This is from balancing. As I told you, we have covered all the topics in the 20 questions. This is from balancing. They are saying in balancing of 4-stroke inline engine, which one is most dangerous? सबसे ज़्यादा dangerous क्या होता है? So guys, just like and share the session. We are still left with 6 more questions. 6 question अभी बाकी है. Warrior is saying B. Very good. Mani is saying C. Kiran is saying B. Mani आपने टॉम सही से नहीं पढ़ा है. Pragnesh is saying C. Kiran is saying B. Yes, C. C correct है. सोच लीजिए एक बार. My dear, first of all, always remember the rule. Primary, secondary. Primary was mr omega square cos theta. Secondary are mr omega square by n cos 2 theta. First of all, mr omega square cos theta is much bigger than this because n is very large term. So first of all, primary are dangerous than secondary. Then you know couples are given as force into perpendicular distance. So generally couples are dangerous than forces. So the answer will be primary couples. They are the more dangerous thing. So I will give you the ratio. I will give you the entire scene. Primary couples are more dangerous than primary forces. After them, secondary couples. The least dangerous are secondary forces. If you see the completely balanced engine and majorly balanced engine, in majorly balanced 4-stroke inline engine, secondary forces remains unbalanced, but they are least dangerous. So we are not worried about that. Okay. Great. Mechanical warriors, very good. This is once again from balancing. Guys. Answer I already have given. Sachin, sir in Byjus. सचिन मैंने रिकॉर्डेड में नहीं पढ़ाया, लाइव में मैं पढ़ाता हूँ. Recorded में maybe in the next session you will get mine, okay? But this session I am taking only live classes. In recording I have taken paper 1 subjects, okay? Warrior is saying A. Pragnesh is saying 2. Yes, Baldev is saying 6. Dear, I just answered you. You have not listened. My dear, if we are talking about inline engines, then 6th cylinder is completely balanced. And 4 cylinders is majorly balanced. So answer will be 6th for this. Okay? Nahi. 4-stroke. When we are talking about 4-stroke only, but 6-cylinder engine. It is 6-cylinder. 6-cylinder, 4-stroke. 6-cylinder means there are 6 cranks. So 6 cranks are put at these positions. 2 cranks are here, 2 cranks are here, 2 cranks are here. So they are balancing primary, secondary forces and moments both. Okay, the answer is 6 for this. Moving to question number 16, guys. Now the question is from gyroscope. I already told you we are covering all the topics. This is from gyroscope, guys. Yes, very good, Warrior. What would be the answer for this one, guys? This is from gyroscope. Gyroscope. The rotor of a ship rotates in clockwise direction when viewed from the stern. So this is the case of ship. You know, this end is said to be bow. This end is said to be stern, because ship is moving in this direction. So you are looking from stern, okay, and the direction is clockwise. Take the fingers rotated. This is the direction of omega, my dear. Direction of omega. Yes, solve it. Podina and Pragnesh and Warrior have said the answer to be A. And guys, now you are saying that it is taking left turn. If this is my ship, it is taking left turn. I will take omega vector like this. This is taking left turn like this. Ship's left will be this. So I will say vector was like this, going inside. Inside is positive y. This is active reactive. Sense is this. So sense is this means it will be having a tendency of raising bow and falling stern. Answer will be A for sure. बहुत बढ़िया किरण, बहुत ही बढ़िया guys, you are wonderful. Moving to question number 17. Very good, Baldev. This is from CAMS now. We are covering all the topics, guys. This is from CAMS now. Okay. So look at it and give the right answer. From CAMS it is. Solve it and give the answer. Warrior is saying 1. Pragnesh is saying A. Kiran is saying A. एक बार फिर से पढ़ लो. Read the statement again. Yes. And guys, like and share the session. We are about to complete the session now. Only 3 more questions are there. Pudina is saying B. Yes. Yes, Warrior. So for a radial translating roller follower, parabolic motion of the follower is suitable for high speed cans. So I would like to say that when we call it parabolic motion is uniform accelerated motion. Uniform accelerated motion. You tell me which motion is used for very high speed and high speed application. Which motion of the follower is used for the high or very high speed applications? Yes, my dear, for high speed application we use cycloidal motion. So that is why first statement is itself wrong. Second is saying pitch point on the pitch circle corresponding to the cam minimum pressure angle. It is wrong because it is corresponding to the maximum pressure angle. So my dear, the answer will be D for this. Neither one nor two is correct. Yes. Very good, guys. Very good. So this is the beauty. Okay. This is the core beauty of the cam topic. Moving to question number 18, guys. This time they have given you X. And they have asked that what will be the jerk. So just differentiate it 3 times, you will get the answer. Differentiate it 3 times, you will get the answer. This question you can have in HPCL, BHEL, GATE, TSPSC, PSC, all. Solve this one, guys. Solve this one. Yes. Solve it, guys. Mechanical Warrior is saying answer to be B. Kiran is saying B. Podina Yadav B. Ha bhai. So guys, let us see the velocity. For that you will differentiate it once. You know that it will be dx by dt actually. It will be dx by dt. Dx by dt can be written as dx by d theta into d theta by dt. D theta by dt is nothing but omega. So you can write velocity to be 10 plus 24 theta plus 4500 theta square into omega. Then acceleration will be 24 plus 9000 theta into omega square. Jerk will be 9000 omega cube. B will be the right answer. Okay? Yes. So the next question is question number 19. Last topic, vibrations. Now these two questions are from vibration. Solve it. They are more of BHEL type. Okay, they are more of BHEL type. So you need to find out the amplitude of vibration, which is given as 1 plus 2. Okay. Given as F naught by S 1 minus R square का square plus 2 zeta R का whole square. Solve it and get the answer, guys. Solve it and get the answer. After that we have one more question. Solve it, guys. Formula is in front of you. You just need to put the values. It is mentioned that F naught is 525. Stiffness is this one. Speed is given. Speed will help you to find out omega. Okay. You know that R is omega by omega n. Omega n is root k by m. Zeta is already given to you as 0.3. Solve it, guys. One more question after this. One more question after this. Yes, for HPCL you can skip it. HPCL generally do not ask this type of question. As this session is for combined HPCL BHEL, so some question I have to keep it of BHEL level also. HPCL questions are very easy. Yes, guys. Solve it. Give me the answer for this. अरे भाई सॉल्व इट. मैं ही कर दूं क्या सोल्व है? पीपल्स आर वेटिंग कि कोई आंसर करेगा तो मैं वही कर देंगे है. चलिए मैं बता देता हूं आपको. इसका आंसर आएगा ए. एम्पलीट्यूड विल बी कमिंग आउट टू बी 0.009 mm. Okay, A will be the right answer. Very good, Kiran. Moving to the last question, guys. Here you need to find out the phase angle. Okay. So I would like to tell you that tangent phi is 2 zeta r 1 minus r square plus 2 zeta r. Sorry. This will be the formula. Find out the phi. This is also for BHEL and GATE. Yes. Solve it, guys. Last question for today. Last question for today. Last question for today. Yes. The answer is D. 175.2 degree. Very good. Pudina, very good. So guys, we have completed all the 20 questions with this. Hope you enjoyed the session, because I have taken the question from all around the theory of machines. Okay, so that was for your benefit. So for scholarship test, for your GATE preparation, you can check the description box. Okay, appear for it, get the scholarship in terms of free courses and all. Great. Chaliye. So goodbye guys for this session. Thanks for joining. Goodbye.